Okay, hello, what's up guys? I'm here in South Cotabato for a wedding and this is my couple for today. Okay, Sean together with, makita, si Chris. Chris! Okay. Yan. Para saan pang pagiging vlogger mo? Hindi ka na. Kita yun na? Nasabi ko sa'yo, Chris! Wow! That's it! Can you tell me, sariin sila nagkilalahay?
Sa Friendly Mart. Tapos,
Let's give her the moment. Ayaw, hamiga.
Sa Baksingan. Tapos, nagkilalahay sila dito, ginalagawan ni Sean, si Krishana, sa Friendly.
Yeah.
Hello. Is it correct? Sa Baksingan. Okay, sa Baksingan.
You say no, you say yes. Again, Sean.
Boxing in Malloy. You gotta say right.
Again. Daw may manok ba? Hambaya in the boxing in Maloy. Boxingan sa Maloy. Kung tama ko ha, boxingan sa Maloy. Okay, again. You're wrong.
Yeah. Malak, whatever it's called.
Best friend to best
It was
friend,
at the
ganun.
barbecue in Surala.
Again. Sir. No, it's Maloy. Grabe, ang first question, nagkakagulo tayo. Nagkakagulo ang mga taga-UK. Okay, let's confirm first. This is, a fight between the UK and the Philippines. Sir, where's... no.
I know, Baksingan, yeah.
He's right. The correct... But their answer... Uy, nag-aaway na yung magka-partner doon. Sino ba kasi ang dala nyo doon sa barbecuehan? Ang sagot kasi nila sa barbecuehan daw. Etong isa naman, no, in the boxing. Yeah. Congratulations. Yay! Alright. Ano ang tawagan? I'm going to the UK! What is going on here? Ako. Wait lang. Okay, ito si Sir. Ito unahin. How did they call each other?
Baby.
You face the crowd. Do not look at them.
I'm embarrassed because I don't know.
Baby!
Baby?
Baby! Is it baby? It's not baby. It's not baby. Simon, you go back to the next question, Simon. You have a lot of chances. You keep saying baby. We're going here somewhere. Wait, I just want to talk to a friend. All right, my friend. You said your answer is?
Baby.
Baby. But it's
Daddy.
wrong. What?
Daddy.
Daddy. This is what? Maybe.
Bad boy.
Bad boy. Oh my gosh. I'm so stressed.
Hobby ka, wifey.
Hobby and wifey, congratulations, 100%! Next one. Ang gulo natin, ang dami nang inabot, tawagan lang. Hindi naman kayo sumagot kaagad. Wait, para siyang hindi mo wana. I'm sorry, pero para siyang dalaga na Santo Niño. Oh, cute. Oh, yung sa hair niya. Oh, dito ka. I love it. You're so beautiful. Are you single?
Hindi na.
Bakit parang nalulungkot ka? Hindi ko masaya sa partner mo. Hindi na. In a relationship. Okay, darling, saan nakatira ang ating bride?
Kompitohon ko na. Sa Crosser, Porang Maligaya, Barangay Dahay, Surala, South Cotabato, Mindanao, Philippines, / Purok Mabini.
somehow.
Grabe, kinamiga mo ba?
Congratulations! Hi sir, what's your name?
Henry.
Henry, you look so sad sitting alone here. You're fine?
Yes, I'm fine.
Who's with you today? With the groom and Simon?
Yeah.
Are you friends?
Yes.
Are you tropa vibes? Yeah, like together, boys over flowers, Backstreet Boys, like that?
No.
Do you dance?
No.
Do you sing?
No.
Oh! It's like we wanna hear. We wanna see him. Is Henry? I'm going back again to the other friend from UK, sir.
He's sad because he doesn't have his coins.
He is sad because he doesn't have his
Coins.
coins, as in money.
Yeah.
What happened to coins? Oh no, Henry! What coin is that? How much you lost it?
No. It's just a joke.
It's okay. We're just joking all the way. Do you have a girlfriend? Are you single or married or searching?
Searching.
All of the above. Oh my God. You are
Yeah.
searching.
We'll see.
What is that?
Depends.
It depends on the situation. How about if I am going to present a beautiful Filipina with fair skin and can even speak English today? Are you willing to play with this?
It depends.
Kumakayas ka naman, Simon. Henry, we'll see you later, ladies and gentlemen. I really love Simon. So fierce. Title of the song, sir?
1986 Survivor, Eye of the Tiger.
Oh my God, yeah. Budlaya? Correct. Sir, you know what? Every time I play that song, I used to ask the guest to do boxing tricks like our people's champ Manny Pacquiao is doing. You know Manny Pacquiao?
Whoa.
Yeah, he is from
Where's the people's champ? Hey!
people's champ.
Hey!
Manny. Who's that man?
Hey!
Who is this? He's lost in the jungle. Jungle bites.
He doesn't move that fast in the ring.
Yeah, but Simon, you don't have the choice but to follow everything here on stage. Come on, Simon, just a little punch. Ladies and gentlemen, Simon from the Philippines. Let's go. Wow. Shake.
I'm old now. He's old man.
You're old, but you're amazing. Come on. Wait lang. Lambada/tribal dance. Woo! My, Delilah. Why? Woo! Wow, amazing! Lamat daw, lamat. You sing like Maoy in Moloy. Woo! Na-shock ako, English tayo ng English. Pag-abot ko ng pera, sabi ni Henry, lamat. Ay, kaloka! Don't get a scam now. Next song, here we go. Ano ba, pabor-pabor na sis? Title of the song?
Isang linggong pag-ibig.
Lunes.
Martes.
Oh, dagay! Why natabo? Lunes.
Langit ka!
Lunes palang mali na siya. Nang tayo'y
Magkakilala.
O, doon na nakanta ha. Ah, ari 50 oh. Tama na. Simon, title of the song.
1992 Los Lobos Macarena.
May ari ng pitsyokihan siguro ko sa 1992. Pati taon, pati kumanta. Alam niya. Are you a musician from UK?
Am I a musician?
Yeah, somebody related to music. That's why you mastered here, the author, the singer. Why you know everything? Is that because you're old? Try lang. Don't joke. Just kidding. Because you are a music lover.
I'm
got a lot of time on my hands.
Wow, pero what you go against Simon? Okay, we're gonna dance. Baka we're not yet done again, Simon. You're gonna show to us your skills today. Wow! You are the best among the rest, among the best. You are the best. Let's go! Yay! Your name is?
May.
May, how old are you, May?
19.
19. Okay, what's your shampoo? Laban ng hair, oh. What's your shampoo?
Anything basta shampoo.
Oh, totoo. Wow, hindi siya pilian. Do you have a boyfriend?
Wala.
Bakit ka wala? Bakit ka na? Wala! Pero nagka-boyfriend ka na before.
Wala gyapon.
No boyfriend since birth, nakikinig ang kuya. Okay, very good siya, very good. Do you see yourself marrying a foreigner in the future? Just like your friend?
Wala gyapon.
Ay, sorry, sister niya, kaya sister niya. Just like your sister, Chris?
Wala gyapon.
Alright, have you talked to Henry? Nakausap mo na ba si Henry? Have you talked to Henry? Like, you did chit-chats while preparing for the wedding? Like, you even asked him like,
Wala gyapon.
maybe Henry doesn't want to talk because he's still sad of his coins. Joking, kidding. Okay, this one. How about if we are going to invite Henry to, pasyal, travel, what place? Saan mo ilalagaw? Diin mo siya ilagaw. Where are you going to take Henry? In? Tama na lang muloy nga na, be? Somewhere? In? What place in South Cotabato? Go. Kaya mo yan.
Sa suba.
Okay, sa suba tayo. Nagsun niya si Charlie. Wait lang. What's suba in English? River. Henry, please come forward, sir. Henry. Sir, what's your family name?
Webb.
Webb. Oh, like Spider-Man. I know.
Senator basketball player, Philippines.
Wow, that's perfect.
Lady
Again.
Pinky Webb.
Yes. Pinky Webb. Yeah.
Not related.
Not related, but yes.
Like that.
Okay, eto na. She's going to ask you to go with her to do, walking.
A tour.
Yeah, tour. And
In the lining?
she's in what?
In the lining.
In the lining? No, it's not lining, but in the suba. He's going to invite you in the suba. Okay, darling, you invite Henry. Henry? Why sila kay Suryado kahapon? Pati karon, ari. Hindi lahat si Henry. Henry. Ikaw. Surya siya. Henry.
Henry.
Kalon niya po si ano mo.
Henry. Show me your coins collection.
Can you go? Can you go with me? Can you go with me?
Can you go with me in suba?
In the river! Go, Henry! She's asking you! What are you gonna say?
Maybe.
Ito talaga isa sa ako ka namin. Thank you very much. Do you want to say something? Is she beautiful?
She's very maganda, but I hope she has a good heart.
Oh, may good heart ka da. Oh, iba ang hinahanap ni Henry. Good heart. Good heart ba tayo, sis? Of course.
Of course.
Of course.
Seeing is believing.
To see is to believe. Don't stop believing. Okay, thank you so medyo praktisado pa tayo sa ehersisyo araw-araw? Pwede. Okay. Kilala mo to? Kamag-anak? Hindi. Ay, ex sila! Ay, hindi. Okay. Sir, maganda ba si... Pangalan naman eh? Carla. Maganda ba si Carla? Of course.
Of course!
Ay, tuga-tuga lang. Kung si Henry dalon niya sa suba, ikaw, diin mo dalon si Carla. Tumigil nga kayo ng mga sabungan. Medyo kayo doon. Saan mo dadalhin si Carla?
Sa ano, siguro sa Bulangan.
Sa Bulangan, in the cockpit arena. He's gonna take her. Why in the cockpit arena?
Round girl, round girl.
Ay! Round girl! Round girl kasi sexy! Okay, eto Sir, para pumayag siyang maging round girl, pakitaan mo naman kami ng 3 counts push-up dito sa harapan. Kaya mo na kabalok-kapot manok. Oh, dali lang! Dali lang! Mabilang tanay! Ready? 5, 6, 7, and go! 1, 2! Oh! Oh! I like it so much. Thank you. Rolling, okay! The scene is, there will be a competition here, a friendly competition, Henry. And what you are going to do is to impress this girl. And the way, how are you going to court a lady? Like you're asking her to say yes for you to be with each other, to be in a relationship, just like that. So, now we're giving the stage to this gentleman who did the 3 push-ups today. Luyagan mo si Carla. Carla?
Carla? Ako man, yung sigurado matagos ka mo. Ano na? Tutulang ka ako.
Wow! Diyan ka lang, sir. Alis ka na naman. Alis ka na, alis. Ay, hindi ko man mahatag sa mo ang buong mundo, pero ibibigay ko sa iyo ang buong pagmamahal ko at ang bulangan. Henry, now your moment. He said that he cannot give the world to her, but he can give his whole heart to Carla. Now, what's your line for Carla? Oh, he's thinking. I'm excited.
When I look into your eyes,
Oh.
I see there's beauty. But however, maybe there is hurt someone. But you will find it one day.
With me.
Maybe with someone who cares and loves you for who you are, not what you are.
Oh. Ay,
Darling,
ang dami. Okay na. Is it 1 or 2? 1? Who says 1? Who says 2? Parang gusto mo talaga, ha? 1 or 2? Number? Number 2. Congratulations, Henry! Okay, Henry, please join. Okay! Next one. Second one. Oh? Yep. Ah! Oy! Up and go! 1, 2, 8. Oh! Akala ko natulog baka wala. Okay, no. Okay, that's nothing. Oh, picture taking tayo. Wala lang kiss, wala lang kiss. Henry, picture taking lang tayo for a while. Maraming salamat po. Sabi na ako, maano na siya. Buti na lang.